Hey, welcome guys. In this video I'm doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e tablet. So this is the Tab S5e version, which basically means a slightly lower premium version of regular Tab series. So looking at the side of the box, they kind of emphasize how thin this tablet is. Samsung emphasizes that's one of, if not the thinnest tablet they've ever made. So even though it's their E series, which is a slightly cheaper version of their tablets, they're pushing like a premium feel with that really thin body. So we'll focus on the tablet itself first, if I can just figure out how to get it out. It's sealed in there really nice and tight. And I would have thought there would like some sort of strap you can just kind of pull down and it rips off this entire material, but it's going to have to yank it from the back. The sealing on this is just ridiculous. It's just so tight, the glue. I'm not sure what kind of glue they use, but it's overly tight, but it's still good. The only concern of using an X-Acto knife like I just did is you want to scratch the body by accident. So there's a tablet, and wow, this thing is incredibly thin as Samsung advertised. I'm just trying to find the power button. Everything's so enclosed, so what I mean by that is like the body itself is a uniseal body, but even the buttons kind of are placed into the body. So the power button is not hanging out, it's inside of it, which keeps the body that much more compact and small looking. So there's a power adapter, and of course here's the charging cable, which is USB-C, and there it is, the USB-C port. Oddly enough, there's no headphone jack on this tablet. I'm not sure if that was done on purpose to keep the body as thin as possible. That's the only reason I can think about it, because the Galaxy S10 lineup, which released just about a month before this tablet, came with a headphone jack. But there you see a USB-C to headphone jack adapter. There's some documentation on the quick start guide, as well as warranty information and all that boring stuff. So if you guys found this video useful, be sure to check out my social links in the video description. Hit the like button, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.